Well, today is move-in day. In about a half hour, we can go get our keys. So hopefully they're ready. And we get to move in. It's about a 12-minute walk from here, so. Okay, so I just got my keys. And Molly's over by the building already with my luggage. So that was really helpful that I didn't have to drag it all the way over here. So it's in the round building, which is our newest building, I think. Which I think is all apartment style. So I'm not going to be able to afford that. Where I'm supposed to be in a suite style room. So you basically have the living room, the bathroom, and the kitchens all shared, and then everyone else there's 4 of us, and we all have our own room. At least that's what I'm supposed to have, I think. So hopefully that works out. But super excited. Orientation starts Monday, and here's to moving in. So I'm setting up. So I have room. There's Molly to help me move in. Okay, so it came with like a kitchen set, which we haven't opened yet, and then it had a linen set that I haven't opened yet either. And so there's no Wi-Fi, but there is an Ethernet cable. And look, I have a tiny mirror. Hello. And then of course the closet. So it's like a place to hang on one side and then shelves on the other. Yeah, there's my window. I'll show you the view. I get to see all the trains coming in and out. Seems appropriate, right? Being in the window. We don't know what this door does, and I can't find it on the other side either. Boiler room or something. So then we have a shower in this one, and a sink. And there's 2 more rooms over here. And then I think this goes down to the front, like in a regular apartment building. Here's our main door. And then here's our mop closet. And then here's our toilet, which does not have a sink, but I guess you can wash your hands in the kitchen. And then here's our kitchen. So we have a little table, 4 chairs, TV, this weird looking balcony thing, I don't know. Another room, trash can, that's an interesting stove too. And then I think one of those is a freezer and one of those is a refrigerator. I'm not sure, but, oh, and then there's B, which is me, so this would be my cabinet to put all my kitchen stuff. So, yeah. I have not met any of my roommates yet, but we'll see. Good. I had trouble with it too. So yeah, that's the apartment. Here's the hallway. There's another room there. I would take you out, but I don't have a key with me, so. But yeah. I'm making sheets. Oh, my quilt. Cool. Yeah. Is it a duvet? Maybe I can do a duvet cover. Oh, cool. That works. Fitted sheet. Okay. I was hoping for a pillow. Is there no pillow? Do I have to go buy a pillow? Darn it. Oh, that's not fun. Okay, in the kitchen set. Oh yeah, so I got these little notes. There's one about clean the room, and then there's one about if we've been gone a while, what to do. So the kitchen set had a mop head, a extension cord, that kind of thing, and a roll of toilet paper. But it didn't come with one, which I didn't, so. Haven't done any shopping yet either. I think the mop stick was in there already. I'm not sure why we don't just get a stick head to share though. Okay. Ah, a list. Of course. Ooh, knives. Pans. I'm gonna break the plates. Okay. Fun. Oh, fun. I guess my washcloth wrapping. Spoons. That doesn't seem safe. non-monetized forks and spoons, which I brought my own of those. So I'll have 2 of those. Oh, I got a teaspoon. Cool, so that's everything the apartment came with. Yeah. So it looks like some shopping will be my future, at least for a pillow. That was unsure about what we got when I was reading it. I wasn't sure if the pillow came with it or not, so yeah. We've now gone shopping. This is like a mega store right next to the apartment. So we're shopping for the things we don't have. Which apparently I do have a pillow. One of the other girls opened her comforter bag, so yeah. I found another market. It's really loud in here. This is Andrew, by the way, and then there's Molly. They got Dutch food, same as like the rest of the people of our table. But then I got Vietnamese that's over there. Ducky, he's so proud of me. So yeah. Oh look, my food's ready. Cool. Bye. Thank you. Food. Hey guys, so now we've left Food Holland and we're just wandering the streets now, I think. And so you can see some of my new friends back there. They're all from USAC as well. So we went through the same company, and again we're just wandering the streets of The Hague and see what we find. I think we're looking for, I actually don't really know. I think we're just wandering. Oh, there's this cool thing called the Passage. Just like an indoor mall. I walked through it yesterday too. Should we cut through here? Okay. Oh yeah. I'm not actually going anywhere, I'm just going back to my apartment, but yeah, so I'm thinking this works for my pass as well. I got a refillable one yesterday, but I just left my IND appointment, so I got my fingerprints done and my picture taken and my passport looked at, so I basically, whenever my visa is ready, I go pick it back up, but everything should be ready for my visa now, so they just have to process it. Yeah, so that's the update for today. I think I'm going to go meet with Vladimir, which is a distant relative of mine from Germany that also lives in The Hague, this afternoon for coffee. Other than that, that's about it for now. Hey guys, here's my first time doing laundry in my apartment and trying to figure out European washer and dryers. So basically for Duwo, you make an account online, which you just look up Duwo Laundry and it has a link in their website to go make an account. And after that, you get a QR code. And so you'd come over to this machine and scan your QR code right here. And you don't need detergent, so don't go buy detergent before you actually come check this out. But this might be just this building, but yeah, so I now have a bunch of detergent, which I think some of my friends can use because they're in other buildings, so. But the washing machines are also like really tiny, so I had one big load that I would have done once in the US, and I had to split it up in at least 2. It probably would have been better if I split it up into 3, but there's not a third machine available right now, and they still can move, as you can see. One of mine's right there, and one of mine's right there, so yeah. But then the dryers are huge, so I think I can fit both in after that, so. But yeah, if you put $20 in your card, or 20 euros in your card, or account, it's a 50 euros, or 50 cents cheaper per load or something, so instead of 250 it's 2, and 150 for dryers it's 1. So that's a little helpful, and by the end of the semester I'm sure I'm going to use 20, so, but yeah, so I think that's the gist of laundry. It's been a fun morning. got some ciders. Got a pretty big group of us tonight. So as you guys can see, I am totally moved in now, and I have redone my apartment a little bit. Still got the nice view, but I've moved some things around. So now I have the bed in the middle of the room, it's against the wall. I put some photos up, moved the closet, chair's a little bit different situation. Put some stuff on my bulletin board, basically some tickets from train rides, some notes my mom left me, my luggage. And then there's some cards my mom left. So yeah, oh, and I even decorated my door, as you can see. Yep. Hey guys, I realized I never really ended my video, so I am coming to you from the future. It's about a month later now, almost, I think. And I just got back from spring break, so that's why I didn't have a video out this past week. But no worries, one's being posted really soon, or this one's being posted really soon. So, hopefully I'll continue to be on a schedule after this, probably posting either Sunday or Monday, as that's usually when I get back from any trips and have kind of some free time again to sit at my laptop and be lazy. So, just an update kind of thing, and I hope you enjoyed my room tour and meeting some new friends, and I hope to see you next time. See ya!